Today we are going to learn about Arduino programming and its implementation. So we are looking forward about what is Arduino, and this is how it looks, the component, hardware component. Arduino basics, just I want to give the introduction part about what are the syllabus we are going to cover in Arduino programming as for 15 days workshop. What is Arduino? And this is what we are going to learn in 2 days. Arduino interfaces and shields we are going to learn for the other 2 days. Arduino programming basics. It resembles like the same where we are going to learn the other programming languages, and it is based on C programming. So we are going to learn about the Arduino IDE. So how we are going to sketch our program by using its editor, program structure, and we are going to learn how we are going to compile and load the programs. And we are going to learn about the variables, operators, control statements, iteration statements, read and write statements, and its functions also. So after completing the programming part of the Arduino programming, so we are going to implement those commands or the statements by using some of the basic lab programs. That is, in the day 3 we are going in the day 11 we are going to learn about toggle switching with push button, controlling 3 LEDs with a single push button, blinking LED and running LED, driving a 230 volts bulb with a push button, that is with an relay, controlling a bulb with light sensitive LDR switch, controlling a bulb with a mobile. And these are the labs what we are going to do in our session. Later, after completing the basic experiments, we are going to move forward with the Arduino projects. And these are the few Arduino projects what we are going to practice. That is the pattern designing with LEDs, 10 keypad security code lock, light sensing controlled lights, traffic density based traffic signal, controlling lights with Arduino. So moving to the next, that is we just start about what is an Arduino, what it is used for, and how we are going to get started with the Arduino environment. And we can have with the demonstration. So what is an Arduino? Arduino is an open source physical computing platform based on a single simple input output board and a development environment that implements the processing or wiring language. Arduino can be used to develop standalone interactive objects or can be connected to a software on your computer. So mostly the Arduino programming is going to be embedded with the help of these microcontroller chips. That is, these are the boards what we are going to use as an Arduino programming, where we are going to upload our coding part in these components, and accordingly whatever the code we have uploaded, accordingly the functionality will be done upon the hardware devices. So Arduino programming mainly it is used for IoT, and where nowadays we are everything is done with the help of automation. So manuals are reduced, manual work is very reduced, and we are moving forward for the automation. So automation is possible only with the help of, and it can be achieved with the help of the Arduino platform, that is Arduino programming. So Arduino platform looks like this. This is an IDE where we have to IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, where we are going to write our programming. And we call that programming as a sketch in the Arduino. The language itself is based as it is structured in the form of a C, and it is going to be modeled by the help of these languages. It is used for, why the Arduino is used for? Arduino is used for interactive installations, rapid prototyping, So if we want to do any prototyping of any of the models, we can easily develop with the help of Arduino, and we can move forward with the help of all the automations which is possible with the help of Arduino programming. What it can do, though these are some few examples. We are going to have some sensors. With the help of these sensors, sensing the values, and we are able to do some operations, that is push buttons. We can use touch pads and variable resistors, photoresistors, and thermistors, ultrasound. These are the sensors what we are going to use in the Arduino programming in order to do some operations upon the Arduino. And why Arduino? It is a cheap, sorry, uh, the next session we can learn about why this Arduino is used and what how it can be, the sketch can be developed, and further we can have the next session.